Hello guys, I am Viraj Sharma. I am a Python developer and a tech enthusiast. I have been coding since 2021, and if you all guys want to reach me, you all can reach me using this website. This is my website. See, and these are my works which I have done, and these are my profiles. So today I am going to talk about UV. It is basically a package which does all the things which you have to create during project, like virtual environment, folder, and installations of dependencies, etc. It's the same thing which pip does, but the key difference is it's fast and the and it's and it does everything which we have to do in projects, like creating virtual environments, folders, in just one package. But pip does not the only does installations of requirements or the dependencies. And for creating virtual environment, normally you will have to use PyEnv, but UV can do virtual environment and the installations of dependencies and etc., create the folder of the project and all that. So because of these benefits, I chose UV to show in this video today. And today I'm going to show you how to use UV for creating projects. First I'm going to delete my previous project and I'm going to show you my new project. First let me show you how to install UV. You can install it using pipex. So UV is already installed, so because of that it's showing me this. I've already installed UV. Now let me show you the core part of the video, that how to create projects using UV. First we have to create the folder like test project. So it has created the folder. See, and it has created all the things in it that if you can publish in GitHub directly, but if you would not be using UV, it would take a lot of time creating all these things. And this is main.py where there is the core part of the project code. See, now I'm going to create virtual environment. No, before creating virtual environment, first I'll go into the test project using cd test project. Now let me create virtual environment. Sorry guys. Now let me go into the virtual environment and show you it in VS Code. First I'll activate the virtual environment using the command which it has given. Now let me go into the VS Code. So see, the VS Code has created. So see, VS Code has shown all the files which were in the this files explorer, which were shown in the file explorer of my test project. See these files of test project folder, VS Code has shown, and the same thing file explorer shown. Now this extra virtual environment which I have created. See, this is the virtual environment where all the things are there of which should be there in a virtual environment. And you all can change the name of this file, or if you don't want, you it's your in your hands that you want to change the name of this main.py file or not, because this main.py file is just the sample project, but in some projects main.py is used for the main UI tasks and all that, so you all can still keep the name of main.py, but if you all want to do the project in one file, you can change the main.py file. But actually I advise you not to change, because mostly in projects main.py is used. Now let me show you how to install dependencies in it. Yeah. So uvlock, this command creates a file called uv.lock, which actually has all the dependencies in it. So see, it has created this extra file called uv.lock, and these are the packages and dependencies which it has. Now let me show you how to install all the dependencies of uv.lock. The command is uvsync, and it has installed all the dependencies, and it has created .venv virtual environment file, where you all can set the variables and all that, like if you want to hide API key. So if you all want to see the virtual environment file, we can use -- active to target it. Let me try to find where is .venv file in it. I think I have to use the same command to target the venv file. Maybe, I don't know. So sorry guys, I could not find the command. I don't actually know the command of dash dash active which it's shown actually, because I'm the beginner to be honest in it. So I could not find the virtual environment. So you all can look that how to use dash dash active command to target VENV. Bye guys.